We're going to start crocheting our penguin plushie now. Make a magic ring. First, chain one inside the ring. This does not count as a stitch. Then, crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the ring. 1, 2. Go ahead and put a stitch marker on that first stitch. 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the circle. Remove the stitch marker and slip stitches into the first stitch. Chain 1 to begin round 2. We need to make 6 single crochet increases, which means working to single crochet stitches into the same stitch. Once finished, you will have 12 stitches. Chain 1 to begin round 3. The sequence for this round is 1 single crochet followed by a single crochet increase. You need to work this sequence 6 times in total. We'll first single crochet into the next stitch. And then work a single crochet increasing into the following stitches. The second set. The third set. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Next, we begin crocheting round 4. The pattern for this round is 1 single crochet, followed by a single crochet increase and then another single crochet. You'll need to work this sequence 6 times in total. Single crochet. Then work a single crochet increase. single crochet into the next stitch. That completes your first set. First, single crochet. Then, work a single crochet increase. Finally, single crochet. That completes your second set. Work the third set. Next, we'll begin crocheting round 5. The pattern for this round is 3 single crochet stitches followed by a single crochet increase. The first single crochet. The second single crochet. The third single crochet. Then the single crochet increases. The first set is completed. First single crochet 3. Then work the single crochet increases. Continue repeating the pattern. Next, we begin crocheting round 5. The pattern for this round is 2 single crochets followed by a single crochet increase, and then 2 single crochets. Work this sequence 6 times in total. The first single crochet. The second single crochet. The single crochet increases. First single crochet. The second single crochet. The first set is completed. Continue repeating the pattern. That completes the second set. Time for the third set. Next, let's begin crocheting round 7. We will be working 36 single crochet stitches with no increases or decreases. Keep going until you finish this whole round.